You want to play Roblox, you want to have some fun with your friends, play the game, and this annoying error code error code 280 is just bothering you. So I understand you completely. It's very annoying to get this error when you're trying to play the game, so it's very painful, but in this video I'll try to help you. I'll do my best to help you. So I hope at the end of this video you will not have this error anymore, and I can't guarantee you, but I hope it's gonna work. So let's jump right to this tutorial. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. So now what you have to do is the first step is to press Windows logo key, okay, the Windows logo that you have on your keyboard, plus R. And here we have to write, I just wrote here a couple of steps you have to take. Now here write local app data percentage, exactly like this. Local app data percentage, local app data percentage, and click on OK. And now what you have to do is to look for Roblox, and we have right over here Roblox, as you can see. And now the next step is to click on Roblox file, okay. And now all the files here, make sure you delete them, and don't worry, nothing's bad is gonna happen with Roblox. You just have to relog in your account. And now just restart your computer, and if that didn't work after you reinstall your computer, you can also try to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. That's another method, but you can reinstall or uninstall and reinstall Roblox only if method number 1 didn't work, okay? But I think it's gonna work. It worked for me. I hope it's gonna work for you as well. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I'll really appreciate it and really help a lot this YouTube channel. Thank you and take care.